In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix monitoring delay in Soundtrap. If you've ever heard your voice or instrument echo back a fraction of a second after you play, that's monitoring delay. It can throw off your timing and make recording feel awkward. The good news is that Soundtrap includes a built-in fix designed exactly for this, and it only takes a moment to set up. No extra software or complicated setup is needed. Start by opening Soundtrap Studio. Give the project a second to load so the audio engine is fully ready. You can do this from any browser that Soundtrap supports or from the app, and it works the same way. Next, look for the settings gear icon at the top of the studio. Click it to open the settings panel. This is where Soundtrap groups the key options that affect how your audio is routed and how responsive the studio feels while you record. Inside settings, go to the audio section. You'll see controls that relate to your input and output devices, along with options that affect real-time playback. This is where we're going to make the change that reduces the lag you're hearing. Turn on low latency monitoring. This toggle tells Soundtrap to prioritize speed when sending your live input back to your headphones or speakers. In practical terms, enabling it shortens the round trip your signal takes through the system, so what you play is heard back much closer to real time. For most setups, that small switch is all it takes to make the delay disappear or become barely noticeable. You might notice your system working a bit harder while this is on. That's normal, and it's the trade-off that keeps monitoring tight and responsive. If the change doesn't take effect right away, refresh the studio. A quick reload lets the audio engine reinitialize with the new monitoring mode, which can be necessary on some devices or browsers. After the refresh, try speaking into your mic or playing a few notes and listen for the difference. Your monitored sound should now line up with your performance, making it much easier to keep time and stay in the groove. That's it. Low latency monitoring is the most important setting for tackling monitoring delay in Soundtrap, and for the vast majority of users, turning it on resolves the issue immediately. Enjoy smoother tracking, tighter timing, and a more comfortable recording experience.